Hello children, today I will discuss other abiotic factor like temperature and soil. The temperature at a place is indicative of the degree of hotness or coldness of that place. It can be measured by a device called thermometer. The degree of hotness varies from place to place. टेम्परेचर क्या है? Temperature is indicative of the degree of hotness or coldness of that place. It can be measured by a device called the thermometer. The degree of hotness varies from place to place. Some place having cold or hotter than the other places. Temperature affects activity of living organism. Temperature is a important factor that determines and distribution of living organism on earth. Each organism has its own tolerance range for temperature. डिफरेंट लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के जो है टॉलरेंस रेंज जो है वो क्या है, डिफरेंट है. मोस्ट एनिमल एंड प्लांट ग्रो इन वार्म प्लेस बट सम नीड ए कोल्ड क्लाइमेट. जैसे काउज कैन टॉलरेट द हॉट वेदर बेटर देन बुफेलो. Generally, we often see buffaloes cooling themselves in pond during summer. तुम गर्मी में देखते होगे कि बुफेलो जो है वो क्या करती है, किसी गड्ढे में जहाँ पानी हो वहाँ पे वो बैठी रहती है. Why? For cooling. क्या कारण है? Because buffalo are black in color and you know that black color absorb heat energy. First point. And the second, they do not have efficient sweat gland. Hence, they feel the heat more and need to cool themselves by remaining in water. In the other hand, camels can tolerate even the extreme heat of the desert. They have no sweat gland. This help in reducing the loss of water from their body. They can live without water for many days. Some other examples like polar bears and penguins are found only in cold region. Tigers, elephant are found in warm region. It means कि temperature takes a vital role for the growth of different living organisms, either plants or animals. Temperature is also responsible for the growth of plants and animals. Then other is soil. Soil is another important abiotic factor of our environment. Most of the plants cannot grow without soil. यहाँ पे हमने क्या कहा? Most of the plant. Some plants also grow without water. If all the nutrients which are given by soil are given without soil, then plants can survive. Some plants can survive. That is why I include most